burgers are baking. The second bread is warming up. This is ready to receive. This is one tasty burger.
Right up my alley.
It doesn't mean that you have a caravan that you need to eat bad.
Right.
It's true, a Topsy. Morning routine is the dog. He really wants to play with empty bottles, but he can't because I need these to get from the fountain the water to the caravan. You'll see. Check. This is actually, yeah, it's not even rainwater because it's mist water. It's condensation on the mountain and then it flows on a hill there, and then probably something underneath here comes out here, and then you have this crystal clear water. And I'm not drinking from it. It's just for washing up or dishes or whatever. But nothing to eat. That's why I buy the bottled water. It looks clear. I don't have my tester with me. I bought a tester for in the boat because in harbors you don't always know if the water is good or not. So that's why I bought a pH tester. But I don't have it with me, so I'm just not drinking from it. When I buy such a 8-liter bottle, it easily let me. It depends if I cook potatoes and vegetables a lot, then it goes really fast because you need a liter for potatoes. This is almost filled. Maybe I do one trip more, so I can take this one with me. And use this one to fill it up, top it up. Right there, if you see deep down in the mist, right there, you maybe see a dog. I'm pretty sure I brought a dog with me. Oh, there he is. It's 10-15 meters. If he goes another 10 meters, he's gone. And I can't keep him close, so he's doing his business. In the middle of nature, and there he goes, deep into the mist. Man, this trek could be done by 4x4. I think even with the caravan, all the way on the ridge of the mountain. But I'm not gonna do it because it's extremely wet. It's 3,000,000% humidity. I'm actually walking in. I'm actually swimming. I'm not walking. And there are two roads here. The one where the dog is gone is for the path that I think would be doable with the 4x4. This path I don't know. I couldn't see it. If the mist is gone, the dog is gone. If the mist is gone, I was gone yesterday evening. Before dark, I could see a path all the way around the mountain. Topsy, come! Topsy! There he is. Okay, I'm not gonna do a very long walk because I'm gonna go from here. It's too moist, and if you don't see 20 meters from yourself, there is absolutely no use for the. It's very quiet here though. It's awesomely quiet. I could even the silence, meditate yourself. That's a cool part. I was setting up for meditation, but I didn't set up the music and guidance. I have some guidance on the cell phone, and because I didn't have the internet, I had no connection whatsoever. The silence itself did its work. I started meditating by itself. So, for me personally, silence is everything. Everything. Yeah. That's the whole trip, the purpose of the whole trip. To find quietness, silentness. And there is a lot of places where you don't find it. And this is one that had full silence. There was that oh man, it's climbing again. I'm always recording when climbing. You had the noise of the fountain, but that wasn't actually a real big problem. Because it faded away. I'm gonna stop filming. It's no use of you hearing me panting all over. I'm still going uphill. It got even worse. But I just wanted to say it's so moist here, as you can see around me. Jesus Christ. It's like I said, I'm actually swimming. My nose is actually drowning in water. The dog, I have tried to pet him, is wet. It looks like he's just swum. Oh, and also I'm exhausted. It's because of the height. I don't know. Normally I'm never this fast. It's not that steep. It's a bit steep, but we're now at almost 2 kilometers high, and maybe that's the air is thinner. So maybe I need to do it a little bit slower as I'm used to, because yeah, I'm trying to be as fast as normal. But that's not. The dog is also panting more. Yeah, it's the height. I don't know from how much height that you get. Yeah, some sort of intoxication. Not that I'm gonna drop down. I'm not that high. But when we were snowboarding, I don't know what height we were. I thought it was higher than 2K in Tyrol. And we never experienced that. I'm gonna look that up on the internet. I don't have internet here though. I'm gonna look up on the internet later. Oh my god. I'm exhausted. Oh my god. And you can't see nothing, eh? Well, I need to stop for a minute because I feel my heart. It's actually hurting a little bit. And a little bit dizziness. So I'm not gonna go further up. I think I stepped another half a kilometer, maybe almost a kilometer, and raced maybe 100 meters or 80 or something. But I need to rest here a minute. Like I said before, I don't know if the height, if it's the moist, if it's maybe I'm tired, but I didn't experience this for a while, a long while. I mean, years. My heart rate wasn't high, it was only 127. Let's check it now. See, it's only 118 now. 180. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna stay calm. I'm extremely isolated here. I have internet now though. I have better internet than down there. Oh my god. I so enjoyed this walk. There was no chance on noise. Zero. There could be a chance that there was a car passing, but it's Sunday, not even now there is a car passing. In walking area, not entertainment, but yeah, whatever. And nothing, really nothingness. Not a bird, not an animal, nothing, really nothing. It's the mist, I think. I don't think animals stay here. Yeah, birds just fly against trees with this kind of weather. But no man, this was the best walk ever. There was absolutely zero noise whatsoever. Ever. Just my footsteps. If I just now can eliminate my foot and just fly on a quadcopter, no, they make a noise. I'd rather have my footsteps. Man, your thoughts wander and you start to get really creative. Like, yeah, your creative mind starts. And it's funny though. The battery was flat. I was saying that your mind wanders and it can get really creative all of a sudden, out of nowhere. I didn't thought I had that in me. Now we're gonna go. I don't know where. Maybe I have one more stop. It's only half an hour drive, maybe 3/4. It's probably gonna be tough on the car. Maybe not, maybe it's downhill. But I think we're in a dull again. So maybe it's gonna be a tougher car. And the next stop would be again without anything, nothingness. And then the next stop is also only another half an hour. So, but I want to do that the next day. It's a weekday then. Maybe in the weekend there are campers on that spot because it's a camper's place, not for caravans again. And maybe they scare you away, they shoo you away. But you can empty your toilet there, and I kind of starting to need that. I can do 2, 3 days more, 4 days more maybe, and then also for 5 days, and my gas is for sure empty because I'm already not really heating up the caravan at the moment at night. I use my -degree sleeping bag. And on top those, and then that guy is also giving heat. He's really close to me at night. He likes it lately. Maybe he's also cold on that little pillow, because I think there is a lot of cold coming from downstairs, so it hits him. And also the floor is cold. If I use this meter, see now it's only 14 degrees. If I put it up here, it's probably 18 degrees. And if I put it on the floor, it's probably only 10 or 11. Before night he starts to ask to come in the bed. And I don't care. He doesn't have fleece. I have a lot of stuff for anti-flea stuff. And he has... so I don't want that for sure. And he has to be clean. If he's not clean, he can't come in the bed. No. Sometimes when he poops, he's a little bit dirty, then I need to clean it off, or he needs to swim. Even if it's cold water, he needs to swim. Otherwise he can't come into bed, and then he needs to stay on the cushion. But in the middle of the night he dares. Normally he doesn't do that though. For sure not when I'm awake. When I'm probably fast asleep, he dares to jump into the bed. Because normally he can sit there for half an hour asking, begging for in the bed, and if he can't, he can't. Okay, off to drive. I want to fly the quadcopter, but I'm probably not gonna see much. It's 50-meter view. I'm gonna try though, but also it's very moist and with the mist, and it has a somewhere an inlet for cooling. Here on the top there are inlets. Here there are inlets that suck in air and dissipate it somewhere for heat of the processor and stuff. So I'm probably gonna have moist over the processor, and that's not good. The batteries are charging. Oh no! Civilization! There is people still on the planet. Look, a car! Look how that looks. It's actually a car. 4 days. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. At least 4 nights. Without any human contact.